This is a brake change to a 2020 GMC Sierra 2500. I haven't been able to find any videos online, so hopefully this will help somebody. I had the factory brake squeal that everybody has been having problems with, so I bought this used, so I'm going after it myself to fix it. I just didn't get to see online too many places that showed how to change them. So this is the rear brake set. All you have to do is loosen the bottom. They're 5/8 from right up here, right here, and you can just lift it up, and I have it tied up right here to keep it held up while I work on it. And the pads just come right out back here. With these units, the main thing that you have to pay attention to is they do have a brake sensor. This is the sensor, and this one was broke when it came off right there. It slides into this hole right there, and then it connects around back into this hole here, and then into this plug. You can pull this pin out. Mine was really stuck, so I had to work on it to get it to come out. But this is the new one. It just slides right back into that space right here. It snaps right back in, and you just put it back up. And when I had an issue with taking this out because this ring was a little soft, I had to push it through on the back end and then pull it out, and it came out just fine. And then I'll show you what the front brakes look like. We are on to the front brakes, and they're very similar to the back brakes and actually easier. So you can just slide this up, tie it up, you're good to go. There's the sensor right back here. The sensors are only on the left-hand side of the truck, the left-hand side. So the right-hand side does not have any. The only difference is there is a difference in the length of the wire up to the connection point. But beyond that, they're pretty much identical. So you just pop them out, and it's really easy. Here's what it looks like with it in, and this just slides on out. So that's pretty easy. So all in all, it's a pretty easy job. In the back though, it's a little tight to loosen up this top one to take it out to grease it. So I had to go down to a smaller size to get it to fit. And this one for the bottom, but in the front you can use a full size. So it is 5/8 again, and that makes it pretty easy. And I have seen other videos online about how to reset the brake indicators. So that people can learn from my mistakes. You can see in there, that latch there is what clicks on to the other end. See that little lip right there? It slides in there. That compresses down on it. And this piece hooks onto it, and that is supposed to slide out from right here, and then you can just press down on this little button right there, and it's supposed to release this. It does not like to do that. It was really stuck. So I imagine when I put this back in, it's still going to compress it back down, but there is supposed to be a piece on the end of this right here, and that was a bear to get that to work correctly. Also, I disconnected it. That right there connects back around on that piece right there, and it was just easier to disconnect it and bring it out here to work on it.